Hello, this is probably going to get marked as some kind of graphic content anyway. I've got to keep this patch on my eye until Friday. Hopefully it can come off then. They took a graft of skin, piece of skin from right there because the color matched, and put it on my under eye to build it up. They took liposuction from my tummy, which is awesome. I've never had liposuction before. And then they bank some of the fat, but they also inject it in certain places throughout the face. And Dr. Mani has found that that softens the grafts and even skin tone in burn survivors. He does it for other people too. Instead of fillers, you use your own fat. And it's just an amazing procedure. And then, of course, they've put in a port to fill a tissue expander on my forehead. And that feels crazy. It's going to eventually just be really blown up. I don't know how I'm going to make videos. I don't know what I'm going to do. It's going to take longer to stretch my skin because it's already a graft. So they're going in and stretching a graft, so they're doing it slowly. It'll probably take 2 months. I'll still be here because this is what I do, and this is how I'm building my freedom. Because once I leave here, Grady and I are starting a new life, and I don't even know where. I just know I'm so grateful for this opportunity. I mean, it's not like I'm going to get kicked out or anything. It's not like that. But, you know, I want to create roots, and I've never done that completely on my own. I had my grandparents growing up, and I stayed there throughout school. And then I moved in with my first husband and married him. And then we got divorced, and it was kind of contentious, big custody battle. He took the kids. I was like just going crazy, and it was a whole thing. And then that's when the second husband showed up. And so I've never really been on my own. I gotta tell you, it feels so good. Like, I was looking at this ring. I mean, it's just Swarovski. It's not like, you know, it's like a big, just a ring that I got on Amazon. But I bought this. Nobody helped me. And I was like, wow, I'm just mind blown. It's probably the painkillers right now. But I was just sitting in gratitude that I can even do that I can take care of Grady, that I could order some lunch, you know, a nice lunch today. So I'm very grateful for every little thing that I have. And I just wanted to tell y'all that I'm definitely grateful for y'all. Many of you know me. My followers are, they just give you life when you, community for me is the most important thing. And I think that's what social media, best use is. The best use of social media is to grow and learn and just know that you're not alone, you know, even if it's in cyberspace, that you're not alone because you know there's people with the same struggles. So I'm gonna stop babbling. I just wanted to check in and tell y'all that I love you and that whatever you're going through, this too shall pass.